Hey everyone, Ron from Taylor Racing, and it's time for another video. Today, what we're going to do is something quick, simple, and easy, and just basically I just want to put another video out there for y'all. Basically, what I'm going to do is take the Ducati Performance Quick Cap off of a Ducati V4 Panigale tank and pull the fuel pump out. This is going to be a quick little time lapse for you. Just going to pull it out, post it, let me know what you think. And if you guys need a tank for sale, need a tank to buy, I'm going to probably sell this tank for the V4. It has been crashed, it does have some damage on it, and yeah, but it'll go cheap. So anyways, hope you like it. There you have it. The fuel pump is out, as you can see. The cap is off, and yes, there is a little bit of damage on the tank on that side right there. But other than that, it doesn't look like there's any cracks or anything like that. So it's probably good. If you have a good aluminum welder, kind of like I do, like Chris from Unobtainium, although he's in Canada now and I'm in Texas, I would probably highly recommend him if you're anywhere global, you know, kind of thing. He's pretty kick-ass. I like his work. I've used him forever. But as I said, that tank is now going to be for sale. So if you need it, just shoot me a DM, text, email, carrier pigeon. That's what I was looking for. Yeah. So that's it. All right. Well, thanks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, please. And we'll see you here later. Cheers.